Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Bitly in just a few simple steps. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Claude and log into your account. From here, you want to click this icon and choose connectors or add connectors. Then from here, you're going to have to search for Bitly. So simply type it in. There we go. Click this. And you want to click connect. Now, when you do that, you'll be asked to sign into your Bitly account and approve some permissions so Claude can access and manage your links. And just like that, you're now connected to Bitly. And once connected, you're basically ready to go. Now, instead of manually creating links, you can then just ask Claude to do it for you. For example, you can say shorten this URL and Claude will instantly generate a bit.ly link for you. And if you want more control, you can tell Claude to use a specific link name or customize your shortened URL. And if you ever want to message or manage access, you just go back to connectors by clicking this, connectors, and from here you can turn this on or off. Just toggle this in, just like that. So basically, that's it. Connecting Cloud to Bitly basically turns your link management into a faster, automated process using simple commands in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!